This tutorial is to demonstrate how to utilize ZBrush to clean up and repair your 3D images from either scanning or SFM software. Now when you first open ZBrush, you'll see a large toolbar called the lightbox. You want to close this as it will obscure your view. First, you'll want to import your scanned image. It'll ask you if you'd like to get rid of any unused vertices. Select yes. Then a screen will pop up showing you how many unused vertices you have. Then click and drag the image into the screen and select edit. At this point, you can freely rotate the image. You can zoom by selecting Alt, clicking, and then deselecting Alt and dragging down. Then unselect the click, and you can rotate it freely once again. You can also move the object about the screen by selecting Alt, clicking, and holding both at the same time, and then removing the click. Anytime you select the actual object, you'll be adding material to it. If you hold Shift, you can smooth it. And if you hold Alt, you'll be removing material. So as you can see, this is a scan from the Cubify Sense scanner. Now what we'd like to do is maintain the high definition from the scanner in the areas that we do have, and yet use a Dynamesh and overlay these two to maintain accuracy. So first what you're going to do is go up to Subtool. You're going to create a duplicate. Select the duplicate and rename it. Whatever you'd like. We're going to call ours Clean. And then go down to Geometry. At this point, you're going to select a resolution of about 250 and then click Dynamesh. Now what this is going to do is fill all the holes. You can see it processing in the upper left corner, and there we have it. Now to smooth this out a little bit, we're going to end up using Divide. And now finally we're going to go back up to Subtool and project what we have from the projection category, and then project all. At this point we can work on the image itself and smooth it out to our liking. This can be a very tedious process, and as you can see, it's literally like working with a digital clay. So once you've edited at all, your accuracy greatly decreases. So as you can see, we've already just cleaned up the inside of that bowl quite a bit. And you can maneuver this thing around until it's complete. This is the finished model. You see from the smoothing process we've lost a lot of the definition, but all of our holes are filled, the edges are intact, we've got definition underneath. This whole process took about half an hour. We could get better results, but it's not worth it for right now. This is totally sufficient for what we need right now. So at this point, we can export the file in one of two methods. Either directly from here as an OBJ, or you can go up to ZPlugin. They have this 3D print exporter, and you can select STLs or other formats as well. Thank you.